Good morning from ORTEX. Today is Friday, September 16th, and these are your data highlights. FedEx is down over 20% in the pre-market after pulling its earnings forecast on worsening economic conditions. The company blames global volume softness, weakness in Asia and challenges in Europe, leading to a revenue shortfall of approximately $500 million relative to company forecasts. The company will take immediate steps to cut costs, closing 90 office locations and 5 corporate office facilities, defer hiring efforts, reduce flights and cancel projects. Wall Street has responded with many analysts downgrading their recommendations from a buy to a hold, with ORTEX analyst data showing downgrades from analysts including Brian Ossenbeck at JP Morgan, Christian Weatherby from Citigroup and Ken Hoxter at Bank of America. The consensus target price has fallen to $264.88. ORTEX insider transactions data shows that in August, Executive Vice Presidents Jill Brannon and Brie Carrera sold shares worth $1.67 million and $2.57 million respectively. In the last 3 months, insiders in FedEx have sold over $11.5 million worth of shares. Adobe reported third quarter revenue jumped 13% to $4.4 billion yesterday, yet Adobe shares plunged 17% to $309.13 at the close Thursday in New York, making it the worst performer on the S&P 500. This is because Adobe has also agreed to buy software design startup Figma in a deal valued at about $20 billion in a bid to expand its suite of creative tools for professionals. Figma was valued at $10 billion in its last funding round a year ago, and the market clearly believes the price paid by Adobe is too high. ORTEX analyst data shows analysts from Barclays, Baird and Bank of America have since downgraded their recommendations from buys to holds, and all lowered their target price by almost $100. The consensus now stands at $417.44. Make sure to subscribe and come back every weekday for interesting data highlights from ORTEX.